Bitcoin corrected by more than 9% in the last 24 hours, bringing the value down to almost $42,000. Now, was this all because of a tweet from Elon Musk, or were the technicals also responsible for the same? So in today's video, we are going to check about the technicals in the chart, what are some of the support areas, what are some of the resistance, and if this is something very normal. So definitely you don't want to miss this video.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release, and we release new videos every day. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, head over to Telegram and join our family on Telegram. The link is given in the description below. If you would like to read more about cryptocurrencies and increase your knowledge, head over to our website cryptobullsclub.com, wherein we post very interesting articles. Also on the website, you can book a crypto consulting session with our experts. This would be a paid service. Now, let's quickly jump onto today's video. So we are on the Bitcoin US dollar chart and we are on the weekly time frame. One of the first things that I would like to show you here is, of course, we corrected over the last couple of weeks, but we have been trading in this zone, in this box that we are seeing here from the week starting 8th of February. So we entered this box on the 8th of February and ever since we have been actually trading within it. Now in this week that has started today, we actually tried to break below it, but again this box is holding as a support. So the bottom of this box lies at around $44,500 and the top of it is at around approximately $60,000. So as we can see, since the past 7 or 8 weeks or even more than that, we have been actually trading in this box, and on the upper side this is very strong resistance. We tried breaking it more than 4 or 5 times, as we can see, once, twice, thrice, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times we have tried breaking above it, but then again this is a resistance which is acting as a very strong at this point of time. We had a wick above it, but there was no confirmation of the body closing above that part. Now let's take a quick look on the 21-week EMA, which we know serves as a critical support in the bull market. So the 21-week EMA at this point of time is at around 46,240, and the last week that we closed on Sunday, we technically speaking, we closed it above or just at about the 21-week EMA. We closed at around 46,456. So technically we closed the week above the 21-week EMA. Now this week is again very crucial because this week we have started below this range of the 21-week EMA. Now the important thing for us to notice is that whether we will be able to bounce above it and enter in this zone and treat this, the bottom of this box, as a support, or we will further come down. Now if we come down, what could be our support area? So for that, let's go to the Bitcoin USD daily chart. So we are on the Bitcoin USD daily chart, and in order to identify the key support areas, we will be drawing the favorite retracement. Let's quickly draw it. Okay, so the critical level of support at this point of time, the major support is actually around 42,378 or so. So basically this is the 61.8 fib ratio level, which serves as a very good support and a strong resistance if we move below it. But as we can see that we had a wick coming down and testing that, but soon we had a bounce off and we actually got resistance from the $46,689 mark, which is acting as a resistance as of now. If we tend to break below the 61.8, then our major support would rather be at around 36,241. Now this is a support that we saw that was with the fib retracement. Now if you have to look at the moving averages, the 200-day moving average, which is currently at around 39,552, would be a critical support for us as well if we tend to break below this zone of 42,300 level. But according to me, if you were to ask me, I believe there would be required a major catalyst for us to actually break below these levels of 61.8 because it is a strong support at this point of time. Now, there are a few things that I would like to highlight here which did not go as per plan. Now for that, we'll go to the weekly chart, and on the weekly I would like to show you the NVT. So on the NVT, as we can see here, we actually turned from red to white, which is not a very good sign for us because a movement from red to white actually indicates the momentum in the market has actually slowed down a bit. So that is not something that we want. We were in this red zone right from the week starting 12th of October right up to the week of 12th of April. Then we had a week of white, then again we moved to red, and this week again we have started on the white and we are continuing in this white so far. So this is a critical level for us to look into. Now let's quickly jump to the daily chart and we are going to see the Gaussian channel here. So the bottom half of the Gaussian channel actually acted as resistance on the past few days. So on the 12th of May, we actually broke below the bottom half of the Gaussian channel. On the daily chart, the bottom phase is at around 51,329. We tried breaking it for 2 consecutive days, but we got rejected, and now we are actually trading below it. So basically what I'm trying to say is, any time that we are below the Gaussian channel, it proves to be a great buying opportunity. Again, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing. But if history is any indication, the time that we move below the Gaussian channel actually proves to be a great buying region for us. And now let's go to the Bitcoin US dollar monthly index, and I want to show you particular pattern in the RSI. So let's go to the monthly chart. So on the monthly chart, we will be considering the RSI. Let's zoom into it. So basically on the RSI, as we can see from the 2013 market cycles, we actually topped at around the regions of 95, 96. But the key factor here is that we always have double tops in market cycles. Now in 2013 as well, we had reached about 96, then we had a correction, we went all the way down to about 72, then we had the spike up which came to 97 again, and then we had this correction. Similar thing goes for 2017 as well. As you can see right here, we had this monthly RSI go to around 94.6, then we had a correction down to about 90, then we went up again and closed at 96, and then the bear market followed. Similarly here as well, we peaked at around 91, 92, then we had this correction. Currently we are at the 69 level, and I believe the next support as far as the monthly RSI is concerned is right about the area of 67. What this indicates on the monthly is we don't have much of a time or much space for the monthly RSI to go down, and probably this movement will be short-lived for the monthly RSI, and then we'll have a movement starting towards the north, which may prove to be the last leg of the Bitcoin bull market cycle. So these are some of the bullish scenarios, right? Now let's take a quick look what could be the most worst case scenario. Okay, so for that we'll go to the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, what we are going to do is we are going to plot the 200-week moving average. So as we can see here, the 200-week moving average is at around 12,632. Now, this will be the worst case scenario for us because as you can see previously also, the Bitcoin tends to bottom out at around the 200-week moving average, which proves to be a great buying opportunity for us historically as well, right? As we can see here, we consolidated in this 200-week moving average for about sometime since November 2018 to about May 2019. So if you would have been active in the crypto space at around that time, this proved to be a great buying opportunity. Then we tested the 200-week moving average again in the March of 2020. We actually had a VIX going below it. This was during the coronavirus lockdown time as well. Now, this is the worst case scenario. We need to understand this, but the probability of this happening is also very less. But just to keep you grounded and keep you aware of all the chances that where Bitcoin can head to, I am not saying that Bitcoin will head over. Personally speaking, I don't think it will go anywhere below $39,000, okay, from a personal point of view. But just to make you guys aware of the situation, the worst case for us could be when Bitcoin actually reaches this 200-week moving average. And it is not only for this bull market, but whenever we enter the bear market, this 200-week moving average, whenever we are getting on the 200-week moving average, will prove to be a great buying opportunity for us going forward. So that's pretty much it about today's video. Wanted to highlight the key factors in the charts of the Bitcoin for our community members as well as for the larger audience. So let me know if you like the content. Please smash the like button if you like it. Also do let me know in the comments below what are some of the coins that you would like us to analyze. We would definitely love to do that. Also join our Telegram channel where we have very fruitful discussions. Also we tend to discuss on our community that we were actually expecting this kind of a correction. I thought that we will be testing the 21-week EMA, but as of this moment we have broken below it. So let's see if we are able to get above it in this week and continue on our bullish journey. So thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Stay blessed, stay happy. Share this video across your network. Bye bye for now.